Yo, what's up? Today's November 14th. I didn't take any trades today, unfortunately. Um, I stalled really hard. I kind of got like flashed a little bit. I'll show you what I mean. So, we had a 4-hour S&T from these lows down to these lows on NQ, and these lows up to these lows on ES. So, really, what I wanted to see at market was a sweep of the lows, and we got that sweep of these lows and these lows. So I had a really strong bias that it wasn't going to go any lower for the day. We inverse this gap right away, and I was literally just looking for a tap into a fair value gap or into equilibrium. And I was going to target London highs and Asia highs, and look at this. It just went straight up, and I never got a tap into a fair value gap. Never came back down into equilibrium. It was a 400 point move, as you can see. Yeah, 420 points. Sucks for sure, but another thing is, on the 5-minute, what I normally enter off of, as you can see, like, we went up for like so many candles in a row, so I thought the move was kind of over, because as you can see, it kind of just stalls out right here for about 30 minutes. But I could have taken this trade off of this bullish for value gap right here. We tap into it at 10:10, which I thought the move was over. We tap into this bullish fair value gap. We inverse this fair value gap on this candle right here. I could have entered long with my stops below these lows and targeted the same thing. I would have came back down into the fair value gap, but it respected it. But I mean, those are London highs and then Asia highs. I mean, would have been a crazy trade. I don't know why I didn't take the trade. It's because I thought the move was over after this consolidation. We also had like broken structure to the downside twice, 3 times. So I'm like, I didn't know if we were going to get a bigger retrace down. But I mean, it literally was my setup perfectly. If I would have been on the 5-minute instead of the 1-minute, I was on the 1-minute, and on the 1-minute it looked pretty bearish. But on the 5-minute, if I would have just stayed on the 5-minute, as you can see, it respected this for value gap, and we really weren't doing anything on the 5-minute. It's just something to learn from, to not get so far down on the 1-minute, because I was on the 1-minute earlier in the morning because I wanted to catch this big move up, which my bias was right, so I can take positives away from that. But I just need to take this trade, like, if I lose or if I win, no matter what, I need to take it. I mean, we got the break of structure, we got the tap in the fair value gap, and we got the last confluence to target these highs. I mean, there was no reason not to take this trade other than I thought the move was over, and that's my fault. But I just need to be better about all that, and I will get better about it, and we'll see some more green days ahead. So that was my trading day. No trades taken, no trades lost, no trades won. Just kind of watched the market. My bias was right. I knew we were going to sweep these lows overnight. I was in a Discord call the night before, and I said we were going to sweep those lows and go higher, and we did. So I knew it was happening. I just never really got in. So today's Friday, no trades this weekend. Just kind of desensitize ourselves, and we'll get back after it next week.